Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi not working but 5 GHz is router, device and signal band troubleshooting. Fix 1 is restart the router and device. Turn off your router and unplug it from your power. Wait for 30 seconds, then plug the router back in and wait for it to fully restart. Restart the device that cannot connect to the 2.4 GHz network. Try connecting to the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi again. Second fix is separate the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz network names. Log in your router setting, then find the Wi-Fi or wireless section setting. Then give the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz band different network names. Save the changes, then connect manually to the 2.4 GHz network. Third fix is forget and reconnect the Wi-Fi network. Open your device Wi-Fi setting, then select the 2.4 GHz network. Tap forget network, then search for the network again. Enter the Wi-Fi password and reconnect. Fourth one is factory reset and router. Locate the reset button on the router, then press and hold it for 10 to 15 seconds. Wait for the router to restart. Set up your Wi-Fi network again, then check if the 2.4 GHz band is working properly. Thanks for watching.